Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, this time of year when you wake up and it's 50 degrees in Chicago, you really can't get too excited about buying grain futures. At the same time, when we look at the European weather model, it's drier over the next 2 weeks for much of the Midwest, but temperature still will stay below normal. The American model, though, does show some scattered rains across the Midwest. The other big news overnight is the tropical storm Cindy, who's going to make landfall between New Orleans and East Texas and dump 2 to 5 inches of rain across much of the Delta and then spin off into the eastern part of the U.S. This should not be an issue except for localized flooding, but we'll see if that changes any of the U.S. Midwest weather. Yesterday, the temperatures in Arizona broke new records for high. Obviously, if that's stays there, it doesn't affect U.S. crops. If it inches away into parts of the western Midwest, it could affect U.S. crops. The other weather event that's going on is some above normal temperatures across the northern hemisphere. Portugal, parts of Europe, Russia, Ukraine, northern China plains, all seeing temperatures above normal. So they're bringing down very slowly crops in Europe and the Ukraine, but not a disaster yet, but it's something that we need to watch. What's interesting is overnight, wheat prices are down, some profit taking maybe and some advances, but we should also see rain for the Dakotas to help the spring wheat crop up there. And also, the beans and corn's up a little bit. We've taken some premium out of the market the last couple of days because of the benign U.S. Midwest weather, but we might be adding a little bit back today because of the European model showing dryness across the Midwest. The next big USDA report, June 30th, we'll get acres and stocks. Stocks should be above a year ago. Acres, we'll see if the farmers reduced corn and spring wheat acres and added bean acres. The last private estimate came out, had the acres unchanged. That'd be probably a little disappointing for the corn market. I doubt if it adds any support to the beans given so much global world supply. Commodity index yesterday dropped to the lowest level since November 2016 with crude oil prices still on the defensive. So we're not seeing a lot of money come into commodities even though they're cheap. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.